Good morning, Leo. Good morning, Mom. It is already 8 o'clock. Really?
I am still sleepy.
That is okay.
Take your time.
Good morning, Leo! Good morning, Lily. Today is Saturday! No school today.
Are you hungry? Yes, very hungry. I want pancakes. Dad is making breakfast.
Pancakes are coming right up. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dad.
I am making pancakes today.
Yay, pancakes!
I love pancakes.
They smell wonderful.
Let's eat together.
Here are your pancakes.
So yummy!
This is my favorite breakfast.
How is the breakfast?
It is delicious.
Best pancakes ever!
I am happy everyone likes them. What should we do today?
Can we go to the park? And eat ice cream!
That sounds like a good plan.
Thank you for helping.
I am helping Mom.
You're doing a wonderful job.
Me too!
We are a great team.
Let's go to the park.
Yay, the park! I am ready.
Let's have a fun day.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is beautiful.
Look at the flowers!
It is a perfect morning.
Wow, ducks! I want to play on the swings.
Okay, but be careful.
Let's have fun together.
This is fun! Higher, higher!
Okay, hold tight.
Yummy ice cream! Chocolate is my favorite.
Eat slowly.
Today is a special day.
I am getting tired, but I had fun.
Today was wonderful.
Family days are the best.
We are home.
I am very tired.
Today was fun.
It was a wonderful day.
Good night, children.
Good night, Mom. Sweet dreams.
Sleep well. Family time is special. The happiest moments are together.